Hi, students, let's get started with the subject English, Beehive, Poem 2.1 Wind. The wind blows strongly and causes a lot of destruction. How can we make friends with it? First line, wind, come softly. Means the poet is requesting the wind to be gentle and kind, instead of blowing harshly and causing destruction. It shows a desire to live peacefully with nature. Next line, don't break the shutters of the windows. Meaning, the poet is asking the wind not to blow so hard that it damages or breaks the window shutters. Next line, don't scatter the papers. Meaning, it means the poet is asking the wind not to blow away and mess up the papers. Next line, don't throw down the books on the shelf. Meaning, the poet is requesting the wind not to knock the books off the shelf with its force. Next line, there, look what you did, you threw them all down. Meaning, the poet is pointing out to the wind that it has already knocked down all the books with its strong force. Next line, you tore the pages of the books. Meaning, it means the poet is telling the wind that its violent force has ripped and damaged the pages of the books. Next line, you brought rain again. Meaning, the poet is saying that the wind has once more brought rain along with it. Next line, you're very clever at poking fun at weaklings. Meaning, the poet says the wind enjoys troubling and making fun of the weak things, like fragile objects or weak people, because they cannot resist its force. Next line, frail crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters. Meaning, the wind easily destroys weak things like fragile houses, doors, and wooden beams of roofs by making them crumble. Next line, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling hearts. Meaning, the wind's power weakens and breaks not only wood and structures but also affects human bodies and lives, symbolizing how it crushes whatever is fragile. The wind also breaks weak hearts, symbolizing how it hurts people who are emotionally fragile. Next line, the wind god winnows and crushes them all. Meaning, the powerful wind god separates and destroys all that is weak, just like grain is winnowed to remove the husk. Next line, he won't do what you tell him. Meaning, the wind is uncontrollable and will not listen to human requests or commands. Next line, so, come, let's build strong homes. Meaning, the poet suggests that instead of asking the wind to be gentle, people should build strong houses to withstand its force. Next line, let's join the doors firmly. Practice to firm the body. Meaning, we should fasten doors securely and also make our bodies strong through practice, so we can resist the force of the wind. Next line, make the heart steadfast. Meaning, we should make our hearts strong and firm, so we do not break down easily in difficult times. Next line, do this, and the wind will be friends with us. Meaning, if we make ourselves strong in body and mind, the wind will no longer harm us but instead become like a friend. Next line, the wind blows out weak fires. Meaning, it means the wind easily extinguishes small and weak flames that cannot withstand its force. Next line, he makes strong fires roar and flourish. Meaning, the wind helps big and strong flames grow bigger and burn more fiercely. Next line, his friendship is good. We praise him every day. Meaning, the wind's friendship benefits the strong, so the poet appreciates its power and offers praise to it daily. Subramania Bharti, translated from the Tamil by A.K. Ramanujan. Thanks for watching.